Here are some more ways to monetize YouTube. There's not just getting your channel monetized in the partner program, but there's other ways you can monetize as well. So the first way is as a lead generator. Most of you who are coaches or service providers have heard of this idea. It's a way for you to offer a free tool. Maybe it's an ebook, maybe it's a list, a PDF, a free course, something like that, for them to sign up and get on your email list. And then once they're on your email list, then you can make offers later. You can either upsell or you can invite them to other events that you're hosting. But it's a way to get them into your funnel as a lead, as a non-paid customer, but they're a hot lead for you. And what you would typically do is, this is the same for this one, a sales funnel. You would create a video on a topic, and then the lead, whatever it is that you're offering for free or for sale, if you decide to offer something for sale, should be related to the video. So you see, on this point of the sales funnel, you can create content on the topic and then directly offer your product, your book, your course, or your service as like the next step for them. It helps you to create content based on what you're selling and what you already have to offer. And so if you're having trouble coming up with ideas, content ideas, let's say you have a book that you're selling, you can, maybe take each chapter and create a video just on that chapter, like let's say a 5-minute video or whatever it is relevant for you. Or if it's a course, the same thing, maybe it's per chapter of the course or per segment of the course. And you can create a video on that and you can say, for more information to really dive in, I'm offering this book or this course. And I'm going to give you an example now in a second that the same exact thing I'm teaching you right now actually worked for me. I actually bought something on YouTube based on this funnel. And I think it's brilliant. And I'm going to give you the example now in a second. And you can also use it for promotion for other things. Let's say you have an upcoming event, like a challenge or a masterclass, or you're speaking in a summit, or you're launching something else. Maybe you are launching a product or a course or a book. You can use it as a promotional tool to just market it, right? Of course, whenever possible, create content in the same topic, whatever you're launching or whatever you're announcing, whatever you're promoting, right? Because then it's like a natural next step for them to want to attend whatever it is or buy whatever it is that you're promoting. The fourth thing is using YouTube's AdSense. So the ads that pay you when you get your YouTube channel monetized, you can actually pay for ads. Like you can be an advertiser and create YouTube ads to get leads. I was an actual YouTube advertiser at one point. And not only did I get my own leads from that advertising campaign, but my YouTube subscribers increased. So I actually got, without even asking them to subscribe to my channel, people went to my channel and subscribed to my channel. So I increased my subscribers from becoming an advertiser as well, without even having to pay to get subscribers. So it was an additional little benefit there. The fifth thing is very common for full-time YouTubers. Instead of using the membership option within YouTube, they'll go to outside subscriptions, like one very popular is called Patreon. Maybe there are some on-demand services, like my dance instructor client. She has an entire service for her on-demand clients. It's a subscription, but it's not on YouTube. It's a separate service. Any other non-YouTube subscriptions, you can lead your audience to that platform or whatever it is. And then the sixth thing is also very common for full-time YouTubers, is to say something like, if you want to support my channel, there's a platform called Buy Me Coffee or PayPal or Venmo, and they'll include links in their description for people to give them tips. So instead of giving tips through the YouTube platform, they get tips outside of YouTube. Which one of these would you like to try? Let me know in the comments. And actually, for anyone who wants that next step and support, I would love to help you either create a lead generation or sales funnel using YouTube. because I think it's an excellent way to get leads and prospects. And if you don't already have one, that's something that we can design together. I'm going to show you an example now in a second, but I'm really particularly excited about the sales funnel and lead generation tools. So here is the example that I wanted to share. And actually the book, this is the book, okay? So I am single and I am ready to attract my husband. So I stumbled upon this channel, and he's a Christian. He talks to Christian singles, and so there's biblical principles, but then there's also a lot of things about, steps to get married and things like that. And I stumbled upon his channel. I started binge watching his videos. And then in one of his videos, he said that he had a book for sale. And I thought about it. I went to the Amazon, I saw it. And then a few days later, I bought the book and I got the book. And then in a video he posted, he said that he was opening his AGW university, his university of his program. I think it's like a $300 program. And guess who bought the program? This girl right here, okay? So in 3 weeks of following him and seeing his content, I bought his book and I bought his course program. So I just wanted to share this with you because this is possible for you, not this exact funnel, but something like this could be possible for you if you already have books or services, courses. These are things that you can incorporate and create a funnel. So every single time he has a video, he doesn't promote the courses, but he peppers it in. And so I'd seen it enough times that when he opened up the enrollment and I saw the video, I bought it. So I hope that that's exciting for you to see what is possible. If you need me, you need my support, you can set up a call with me. And if you decide to work with me, we'll be ready. We'll be ready to jumpstart your YouTube and grow it so that you can be seen and heard by your audience. And if you want to learn more about how to monetize your channel, you'll also enjoy this video. For more help growing your visibility and monetizing your brand, go to alexanderfigueredo.com. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. Thank you.